Morning team, let's get the ball rolling. Wilson, how was week 1 after training?
Morning, Emma. Honestly, it was exciting but a bit tough. I picked up a lot on handling customer calls and writing emails. Still getting the hang of the phone system, though.
Totally normal. You're off to a solid start. Just keep at it and you'll find your groove. What stood out most from the training?
I learned how to stay calm with upset customers. Anna taught me some useful phrases like, I understand how you feel, and let me double check that for you.
Spot on. Any difficulties?
Typing notes while talking. I'm afraid I'll miss something.
Happens to all of us. Try quick shorthand or just say, mind if I put you on hold for a second? Works like a charm. All right, updates. David.
Last week, we had a system glitch midweek, which caused delays and a flood of requests. IT patched it by Thursday, but there's still a small backlog.
Thanks, David. Shout if you need extra hands to clear it. Lisa, how about you?
We also onboarded some new corporate clients, so applications spiked. I worked with sales department to fast-track the checks, but we need to stay sharp this week.
Nice work. Everyone, share tips so we can all pull our weight and keep things ticking. Before we wrap up, quick reminder, Friday's our team outing. We have 2 options, seafood hot pot or BBQ buffet.
Tough call, but I'd go with seafood hot pot. It's perfect for sharing.
Actually, there's a new Korean BBQ and hot pot spot just around the corner with a group promo. We can have a barbecue and hot pot together. It'll be a real treat.
Nice. I've heard that the food is good. The discount seals the deal. It'll hit the spot after a long week.
Done then. Korean BBQ plus hot pot this Friday. I'll book a table in advance. Food, laughs, and a chance to recharge for next week.
Get the ball rolling. To start an activity, project, or process. Example, let's get the ball rolling with today's meeting. Get the hang of something. To learn or become familiar with how to do something. Example, don't worry, you'll get the hang of the new software soon. To be off to a solid start. To begin something well or successfully. Example, the project is off to a solid start with strong support from the team. Find your groove. To become confident and comfortable doing something. To find your rhythm. Example, it took me a few weeks to find my groove at the new job. Stand out, stood out. To be easily noticed or different in a good way. Example, her presentation really stood out from the rest. Glitch, a small error, defect, or temporary problem in a system. Example, the software crashed because of a glitch in the system. Fast track, to speed up the process of something. Example, the company decided to fast track his promotion. Team outing, a trip or social activity organized for members of a team. Example, we're planning a team outing to the beach this weekend. Hit the spot, to be exactly what is needed or wanted, especially food or drink. Example, that cold drink really hit the spot on a hot day. Seal the deal, to finalize an agreement or make something certain. Example, offering free shipping helped seal the deal with the customer. A flood of a very large number or amount of something arriving or happening all at once. Example, the company received a flood of applications after posting the new job ad. Well, great job making it to the end of today's lesson. If you enjoyed learning these real-life office phrases, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with friends who are also working on their English. Drop a comment with one new word or phrase you'll use at work this week. See you in the next episode of Real Work English with me, where English meets your everyday job.